Hi guys, just going to show you a few bits and pieces before you do the work today. So we're going to be looking at adding fractions. I'm just going to show it to you first with diagrams. So we're adding a third to 2/5. So it means I'm going to have to chop one of them into 3 and then the other into 5, like so. And then I need to shade my numerators in. So that's 1 of the 3, a third, and then 2 of the 5. Then I need to, if I've chopped this into 3 bits, I now need to make this one go into 5, like so. And then this one was chopped into 5ths, so now I need to cut it across by 3. So what we've actually done there is we've turned both of these arrays into 15ths, because it is a 3 by 5 array. Now, to find out what the numerator is going to be, we just simply then can count what we've got. 5, 6, and now we can add them together because our denominators are the same. So 5 add 6 is 11 15ths. Now we'll look at the formal method. So what we're trying to basically do is find a common denominator. That means we need to turn the bottom numbers into the same thing. So if I were to count in 3s, like so, I'll just do a couple more, like so. And if I count it in 5s, what I'm looking for is a number that appears in both those times tables. And then look, we've got 15 here and 15 here. Now the way you can make those is by multiplying those together. So 3 times 5 is 15, like so. Now 3 to become 15 has been times by 5, and the 5 has been times by 3. So however the denominator has been affected, we need to do that to the numerator. So 1 gets times by 5, and 2 gets times by 3 to make 6. And like on the last one, you get exactly the same answer there, 11 15ths. So just show you one more time. So here, obviously 3 and 4s aren't going to go into 15, so it's going to be something different. So we multiply them together. 3 times 4 and 4 times 3 makes 12. So we're dealing in 12ths. Again, we do what we do to the denominator to the numerator. So 2 4s are 8. 3 3s are 9. Now you'll notice on this one though that it goes into an improper fraction. So 8 add 9 is 17. Now if I want to turn it into a whole and a part, which is a mixed number, I can use 12 of those 17 to create a whole one. And if I've used 12 of the 17, I'd have 5 left. And then lastly, you get to adding fractions that are mixed numbers. Now this is pretty much the same as what we've been doing, but you just need to deal with the whole numbers first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my 3 and my 4, and I'm going to add them, okay, add them to make 7. I'm going to get rid of them, get them out of the way. And I'm basically just doing the same as we were doing. So here though, I could times 3 and 6 together to make 18, but 3s do go into 6, so I can leave the 5 6 alone. Turn my 3 into 6 by doubling it to make 4 6. 4 6 have 5 6 is 9 6, which is the same as 1 whole 1, which would be 6 of my 9, and then 3 6. If you want to simplify 3 6, it will become a half, so that will become 1.5. If this question asks for it in its simplest form. Now my 1 here is a whole number, so I need to add that to that 7 that I definitely can't forget about over here. 7 add 1 make 8, and then pop a half on. Hopefully that will help you today. Good luck.